Hello everyone. Today I just wanted to do a quick little tutorial on how to mod Super Smash Bros. For the Wii U. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a couple months. It's just I've been not really busy lately. I don't really have an excuse. The only excuse I have is that I got a new PC. Yes, that's the excuse. Alright, so I also want to thank you guys for 657 subscribers. That's a lot of people. That's scary. I haven't even done anything for 500 yet, and you guys are already at 600. That's actually insane. So we're just gonna jump into this. I apologize for the poor mic quality and that this video is kind of sloppy and the background noises. This is not a good video, but I hope it's a clear enough tutorial and you guys can figure this out. So yeah. I'm here to simplify the task of modding for you. So, the first thing that you need to do is go to the description of this video, and you will find you will find a Smash 4 modding pack. As you can see, I already downloaded it. There will be a download button right here. Just simply click it, and then once you do that, it'll start downloading. And now, there will be a thank-you.zip file for you in the description. Now, there was a problem with me. There should be the same download button, but this may happen. You might go over the quota for Mega. Now, if you click resume transfer, as you can see, it makes it seem like you have to upgrade, but you can just simply wait 2 hours, which seems bad, but if there are enough requests for it, I might make a Drive version of it, like a Google Drive version of it. But I think Mega is just a better downloading source. So I already have this downloaded though, so that is fine. And once you have both of those downloaded, you're gonna want to drag them from your downloads folder onto your desktop, which I've already done, and extract them. You will need WinRAR or 7-zip to do this because they are zip files, and I will leave both of those in the description below. I believe 7-zip is free, but I'm not too sure. I mean, I believe WinRAR is free. I'm not too sure about 7-zip though. So you guys can figure that out for yourself. I'm pretty sure it's free though. So right here, this is the zip file, and everything under it is what was in the file. So thank-you.zip has these 2 DT files. It had another one, but this is just for the sake of demonstration. You see nothing's in here, but you would get these 2 files. You get 3 files. You get the DT00, the DT01, and you get an LS file. Now we'll go to that later. So I'm gonna just put this off to the side, and we are going to focus on this. So what you're gonna want to do is open up UWizard and go to Settings. Now, there are 3 keys here. You do not need these 2. You only need the Wii U common key. I can't tell you what the key is, but I will tell you that Google and Pastebin are your friends, and that's what you're going to need to use. Also, before I continue the tutorial, I forgot to mention something in the beginning. I want to give a huge thanks to the YouTuber in the description below. I cannot remember his name for the life of me. All I know is that it has Ken in it. So thank you to him for this tutorial, and thank you for the people on a Smash 4 Discord server that helped me out with this. So I will leave that in the description as well. So once you have all this done, go ahead and go to NUS Downloader U, and now you will see this title ID. Now I'm going to paste this in here, or I'm not because I don't have it. Hold on, I gotta make a cut here for a second, but I just want to mention, depending on your region, you will have your own specific title ID. So if you're from the USA, you'll have your own. If you're from Europe, you'll have your own. And if you're from Japan, you'll have your own. So those will all be in the description. And I'm gonna go grab the US title ID real quick. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I have managed to grab the Wii U title key, or not the Wii U title key, the title key for Smash Brothers. Now, what you're going to want to do is just paste that right into here, and make sure you click Decrypt Contents, because that will do a thing, and the thing is good because you need that thing to do the mods. Hope that was clear. But basically, all you're going to do is click Start Download, and a bunch of stuff is going to start popping up. And every once in a while, it may look like it's not loading at all, but it takes a while, okay? It's a whole video game. Alright, so the uWizard finally finished the download, and it automatically opened the output directory, so we have this out now. So you can just close that stuff, we won't be needing that anymore. So, let me find it. Okay, so now you're going to want to use the thankyou.zip. So you're going to want to go into Content and drag in the two DT files, and you're going to want to drag in the ls file, I believe. I'm going to copy and paste those just in case I'm wrong. So just drag those in, and if I was wrong, you won't see this video, so yeah. Just drag those in. Once you do that, you want to go to, so up here there's going to be a bunch of numbers, so you want to go there. This is the title ID, so you want to go to Nest Content. You're going to have the bunch of numbers. You're going to go into the bunch of numbers, and you're going to drag the 304 file onto your desktop. Now, okay, it's gonna take a second. Okay, it's doo-ba-da-boo, zee-ba-da-bop, boo-da-boo, zee-ba-da-bam, comedy, it's funny, huh, okay, I'm just gonna make you guys wait with me because I'm too lazy to edit this out. Yep. Alright, so you're going to want to drag the 304 file to stop it to your desktop, and close this. So you will no longer need the thankyou.zip because you used all the files in there. Now you're going to not open 304. You're going to just leave that on your desktop. And now what you're going to do is go to Smash4 Explorer and go and open it. And it will say that you need to get the game dump, like the whole game, like all the files and stuff. So what you're going to want to do is find where you put your 304 file. It doesn't need to be on your desktop. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So you're going to want to click the file and then click OK. So now it's going to show this. In order for Smash Explorer to work as intended, the following information must be correct. So if you're in Japan, Zone 1. If you're in Europe, Zone 4. I don't know what this is. Try that if this stuff doesn't work. But I am in USA. In the USA. So yeah, game version 304. Save. Project created. And now it will boot up Smash4 Explorer. And now, this is your bread and butter. This is your key to modding Super Smash Bros. For Wii U. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to this website called GameBanana.com. Now, yes, leave. This is the main, as of now, this is the main modding site for Super Smash Bros. For Wii U, and this is where I personally get all of my mods. I went ahead and downloaded a Mario mod that makes him look like N64 Mario, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I went ahead and downloaded it. There are a bunch of recolors for him. Some mods may contain recolors, some may not. and thanks to Super Teletubbies 64 memes. Alright, so I have already downloaded it. So what you're going to do is I'm going to move this stuff out of the way. There we go. Alright, so you're going to want to extract the mod onto your desktop. And okay, so these either all these files are going to pop up, or there's going to be a file called what your character is. So I have all these. No, these are just screenshots. We don't need these. And then here's regular, fire. You won't get a bunch of recolors unless it comes with recolors. But I only got this. So I'm going to do the original Mario. So what you need to do is go to Data, go to Model, go to, not Model, sorry about that. Go to Data, go to Fighter, and all of these fighters will pop up. Now, before I continue, some characters may have their Japanese names. Like, this here is Greninja. Koopa is Bowser. This is Bowser Jr. Oh no, this is Bowser Jr. I don't know who this is. That's weird. I think Rosalina is like Rosetta. This is Charizard. Yeah, it's just a bunch of, you'll be able to figure it out. Like, Robot is, Rob. Rockman is Mega Man. This is Rosetta, so Rosalina. And Zero Suit Samus. So, yeah. I'm gonna find Mario. And Mario D is Dr. Mario, by the way. So, Mario, so you're gonna go to the character that you want, go into the file, and go into Model, go into Body, and now you will see all these files with C, 0, and then a number. So, in your character file, you should have a CXX or a C0 number file. So, now what you're gonna want to do is just copy and paste all of these into the folder that you want to replace. So let me go over this really quick. So C00 is the first character, like the original, no color, no recolor. C01 would be Fire Mario in this case. C02, you get the point. It's like what it is on the select screen. So I'm going to take all these and put them into CO2 just because I want to keep Fire Mario. So I put that into CO2. Now, instead of making a whole nother video on how to do this, I'm just going to cover it in this video. You don't need to do this next step. This next step is completely optional, but I just find that it's a lot more convenient and a lot easier to find characters. Now, you can close all this. Oh, also, if you mess up and you accidentally put something in the wrong file, you can simply right-click the file and click Remove Mod Files. But if you accidentally put one file in a folder, you can go in and remove a single file. So it's very useful. Okay, so now this next step, completely optional. You do not need to do this. I just find it more convenient and better, like a better modding experience. So what you're going to do is go into Data, go down to UI. That stands for User Interface. You want to go down to Replace. Now, there will be a bunch of more files, and click CHR for character, and this stuff will pop up. This right here, this is the character select screen. So, these are all the time, this is when you'll see the characters and stuff on the select screen. This is the stock icons, and yeah, so, they're going to get the same files. They should be nut files. These, yeah, they should all be nut files for the UI. So what you're going to do is okay, this part is confusing. It's also very stupid. So, you know how, the original character is C00. Well, if you're going to be doing it for the UI, the original character is C01. It's confusing, but I think you'll understand. So, what I'm gonna do, since I made Fire Mario CO2, N64 Mario CO2, I have to name it 03. And now you just do that for the rest of the files, and once you do that, drag them into their correct folders, and if you did all the steps right, everything should work out. But just in case, I will meet you over on the Wii U. But first, we are going to drag the stuff in here. So, just drag everything in proper places. And once you have done that, that's all you really need to do. But now we have one more thing to do before we move over to the Wii U. And I forgot another step. Don't listen to me, I'm lying. So, you're going to want to go to Project and click Build the Mod. Now it's going to build the mod. It's going to put it into a directory. Now, it may stop responding for a little bit, depending on how many mods you put in. But, yeah, it may stop responding, but it's fine. Just let it do its thing. It's going to be okay. Takes a second. I don't really have anything to say in this time, except for like the video. Subscribe, please. I'm desperate. Okay, so go to Directories and click Open Export Directory, and you will get this release file. Now go into this release file and you will find this content file. Drag this content file onto your desktop. Close the release. You can close Smash 4 Explorer, and I'm going to get rid of my character files because I no longer need them since they are on my game. Now, only folder we have left is the SD card files, so we'll get rid of those. So we're gonna go into here, and this right here, this is depending on your region. Now, this is okay. The only one I know is this is USA. But in the description, it'll have your regions accordingly with the numbers. So yeah, I'm gonna grab USA since I live in the USA. And now, that's pretty much it. Now, all we have to do, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to make a folder called SD. And go in. And what you're going to want to do is drag this folder right into your SD card. But actually, let me show you the demonstration. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to put the download link in the description. There's going to be a link to download a file which contains all your SD card files. Now, my computer is very dumb. Is very, very dumb. Because it does not have a SD card slot, so I have to use an adapter to make it work. But since I left my SD card upstairs, and I'm too lazy to go and get it, we're just going to use this. So when you get the thing, once you take the file that you downloaded and extract it into your SD card, you should get a Wii U file, a CBH file or something, I can't remember. A SD caffeine file, a apps file, and I think that's about it. There may be other files in there, but that doesn't really matter. So you're going to want to go into your SD caffeine file, and you're going to want to drag your file with all the numbers into your SD card. And once you do that, you're going to want to find your content file, which has your mods in it, and drag it into the file with a bunch of numbers. Now, you're all set. That's all you need to do. Now simply eject your SD card, and that's about it. I'll meet you guys over on the Wii U. So, Yeah.
Alright, sorry for the major drop in quality. As of now, I have no way to use my capture card. So, that's nice. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you how to do this. So, what you're gonna want to do is go to the internet browser. Crazy, right? We're not going straight to Smash. We're going to internet browser. So, what you're going to do, go to this, go to this. Alright, so I just have that bookmarked, but this right here is the URL. Let's focus. It is u.dg, okay, u.drg.li. That is the exploit we're going to be needing to use Super Smash Bros. Mods, or get into Homebrew. Now, people have had different success with different numbers, but I've had the most success with the number 2, so I'm going to go with 2. So now, we just wait. Now, if this doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just keep trying over and over again. It should work eventually. If it doesn't, you might have done something wrong. I don't know what you could have done wrong, but just go ahead and go back to the tutorial and make sure you did everything right. Let's hope we can get this on the first try. Come on. Come on. Please. I beg of you. Please? Yes. Is it working? Yes. Alright, so. Once the Wii U symbol pops up in the corner, you're basically golden. So, this is going to pop up, and don't touch any of this. Don't even think it. Don't touch it, alright? Don't. Tap the arrow. Tap SD Caffeine, and tap Load. That right there is, oh hey, I'm recording this with a phone. How's it going? That right there is what loads the mods. Now, we're going to go to the Wii U menu. Take a second to load. Alright, so. Now, we simply load Super Smash Bros. It doesn't matter if you have a physical or digital copy. You just need Super Smash Bros. Okay? Okay. Love voice cracks in the middle of recording. Sorry, this is gonna take... It might take a while, because, you know, mods and stuff. Dog! Is that... Okay. False alarm. Okay. Got it. Alright, I'm gonna load this up. Hope it worked. If it didn't, I'm gonna be really sad. Because I'm gonna have to do the tutorial again. And I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. Oh, for the love of my sanity. Please? Yes! Okay, it worked. It finally worked. Oh, I tried this a couple times before. And I finally did it. It's working. It's gonna be really hard to play with one hand. But you know what? I'm gonna do it anyway because I am so happy right now. Oh, look at our boy! Look at our boy! Yeah! Alright, we're just gonna go ahead and jump to a match real quick. I'm not gonna leave you without any gameplay. Because, you know. Look at him! He's beautiful! He's amazing! Hold on. Oh, I got him! Oh, he's beautiful. Alright, if you enjoyed this horrible quality, make sure you smash that like button. I will be doing other tutorials on Super Smash Bros, like how to get custom stages, and other stuff like that. So, if you have enjoyed, make sure to drop a like I already said, because I like to repeat myself a lot. Comment what video I should do next, or what game I should play next on my channel. And I will see you then. And come at me, Duckhill. What you got? You got nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna go brag to my friends that I got this working because it took a long time. Have a great day or night or whatever time it is for you. See you later.